to wish you happy birthday on this beautiful day. We want to wish you, dear Father, for God has chosen you. Happy birthday to you, dearest Father. May God bless you throughout the day, along your whole life through. May God bless you everywhere, which is a wisdom prayer. May God bless you and give you strength and joy and joyful soul. Happy birthday to you, dearest Father. May God bless you throughout the day, along your whole life through. Receive the wisdom of this love from your loving children. This heart is full of love and joy, just as a nature. Happy birthday to you, dearest Father. May God bless you throughout the day, along your whole life through. Along your whole life through.
Life is precious. Life is lived once. Thank you for sharing your life. God bless you now and always. Dear Father Tinglung Francis SDB, we wish you a very happy birthday, and we would like to express our words of sentiment on this pleasant evening. Our hearts are full of joy, happiness, and gratitude. We are joyful and grateful that God has given you another year of life. We are grateful and have benefited much from you, Father. We appreciate your selfless and committed animating presence in the hostel, school, and parish. You are, for all what you have been to us as Father in the classroom, study hall, church, and paddy fields, you have tried your best to teach us in all the ways possible.
Happy birthday, dear Father. May God bless you every day. This is the day we shall give you as a baby voice with love and gratitude. Oh, 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 we smile at you, Father, with love and gratitude. Rejoice our hearts together.
Marriage, and Father Rongmei is here to meet our people, to celebrate Mass for them and encourage them and to speak of his vocation as well. So that's the reason why they are here. We are privileged to have them. So I want to say thank you for your item, and still some other items are coming. Carry on doing. So I was just observing Tinglung boys and girls and Khoupum boys and girls. So some differences there. So you are more smarter and more brave and able to perform. This is the new boys who came this year. They are able to face the crowd and perform. So we congratulate them. And then this birthday celebration, why we are celebrating and why we are keeping for the superiors who are here is not so much for us. Not so much for us. It has got an educative value for you, so that you learn to be grateful to people who look after you, who teach you, who care for you. It is mainly for this educational value that we are keeping this day for us. Enough to say prayer, what is the use of other items and address and all that. We may think that way, but it has got educative value for you. So you learn how to grow up grateful and learn to express your gratitude, who mold you, who look after you, who teach you, who guide you. So many other reasons are there. That's the reason why we are spending time for this. So my gratitude to all of you for your prayers, for your wishes, for your items, and for the address that you have spoken on behalf of all of you. And boys and girls, you must say master, don't say mister. Mister means already married people. Master and Miss. Mrs. is for married women. Mister is for married men. So when you are still young and boys and girls like this, Miss and Master, they must be used so that you don't mistake. So once again, thank you for your wonderful item. Keep on performing. Succeed.
A prisoner from a block, they ran away.
Speak louder.
It's evening and there is no trace of him. 10 of you will die in the hunger chamber. Line up here. Captain, take those old people. Count them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, this, you 30 balls. Use some of the earth if one hunger and thirst. You will die of hunger chamber. Are you afraid? Captain, how many are they? Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, there are 7. You down there, yes. The one with the bear. Come here. Captain, take him. Take out your shoes and go. I'm a jumper. Commander, wait. Who are you? How dare you speak to me? How do you approach me? Who are you? I want to die instead of this man. Have you born man? I didn't pick you. And why are you want to die? Why are you? I'm a poor man. I'm sick. He has 4 wives and 4 children, but I'm useless to anyone. I'm old and sick. I want to die instead of him. Who are you? Who are you? Where are you from? I'm a priest.
What's more, your name?
Do you hear that command, Captain? A useless, dirty, a Catholic priest. Get away from here. Do you know this boy? No, sir. Very well then. Which one would you want to take first? This can I know? That man. I want to die instead of I feel Captain, take it with them.
3.
for the others. This is the end of the skit.
Recall back these aura moments.
Những điều vậy đi, có đi lên có lên đây. Cái đi như thế cho rồi. Thế khi tới số tiêu là sao? Không được có lên đây. Nó có không thể gặp gì đi. Khoupum cái cầm lên. Những điều vậy á, nó không có như là tôi. Nó không có như là nó bỏ nó đi phát tài như là tôi. Nó coi gì, vì ông người, nó có chú bố bố đâu thì nó bỏ nó cần thấy nó còn nên bố với đồng tôi. Atau kau itu nanti mereka ini lagi bukan tu. Chúng ta muốn đứng tất cả đôi chỉ đó thì ngay. Tôi do tại sao còn nhiều. Có vậy nhất là tôi không tiếc cái này rồi. Nhưng như vậy có mấy nhân tôi một khi tới. Năm tôi rộng sống tôi thấy. Công nhân của như vậy tôi. Như biết gì vậy có biết sao là tôi đi đến tôi mới chồng đi tới. Đi là tiếp một cái đồ một cây. Dia pergi ke mana? One. I dropped my vehicle inside the pond. Second one inside the tea garden. No vehicle, no human being was around here to see me. So I just drive up and go away. If any people going to be here, I will kill them and they will also kill me. They only come back and go. If I eat one place, I will sleep on the road again. Some change, this deliver and go down.
Happy birthday, Father Tinglung. This is the day that you were born. How do you feel when you're older? This is the day that you were born. Rivers of love and sorrow and God, and humility is His heart. Keep loving love. People as you did. May God guide you everywhere. Your smiles are your kindness reaches our heart. Say, be with us forever. Blessing us and forever. Yours is love, and sorrow and God, the humility blesses our heart.
Go. In like 5 days. That is what the Bosco used to say. I began with the quote because Father Samuel was quoting Father Don Bosco. And as he has said, we knew each other from 2005 before you were born. So we were friends before you were born. We met first in 2004. And 2005, we began our journey together. And Father is also completing his licentiate with a specialization in catechetics, which I just concluded last year. So by God's grace, we are always together, and I've completed and I came here. So who knows? Today I am sitting here and welcoming him and thanking him. Tomorrow he may be coming here and saying thanking me, and I'll be going to come and take time will go like that. Because I came to Bangalore, he came to Bangalore. I came to Khoupum, he came to Khoupum. So tomorrow, the other way can happen. Anyway, that's a short introduction.